Since the dawn of time, there has been only one cradle of life: water. From the heat of the sun that vaporizes the rivers, seas, and oceans, forming rain-bearing clouds, it comes back to the earth, nourishing the parched ground with life. Thus, the journey of fresh water begins, flowing endlessly to the babbling brooks, roaring rivers, and calm lakes. Its path doesn't just stop there. Seeping into the earth through the rocks beneath the land, it flows pure and enriched with minerals as groundwater. Whatever shape or form it may take, it is unique. Every drop of water is a gift of life, covering a vast portion of our planet, coursing water through it like veins, keeping all its living beings alive and thriving. And we at Tormac Pumps understand and appreciate this gift. With over 50 years of experience in the manufacture of pumps, Tormac has set the benchmarks in the industry in India and abroad. With the latest engineering softwares, state-of-the-art machinery, in-depth research and development, highly dedicated workforce, and ultra-modern pumping technology, Tormac's wide range of internationally acclaimed pumps, like the stainless steel submersible pumps and motors, cast iron submersible pumps and motors, thermoplastic submersible pumps and motors, solar submersible pumps and motors, end suction centrifugal pumps, centrifugal pumps, multi-stage booster pump sets, wastewater pumps, peripheral and self-priming pumps, UPVC riser pipes are the epitome of flawless engineering, bringing this commitment to quality to more than 45 countries. Tormac is not only recognized by the world through international trade fairs, apart from being recognized by the EEPC for 5 consecutive years, it is also ISO 9001-2015 and CE certified. This commitment to excellence extends beyond our pumps to our society. Just like water is the most precious resource for life and growth, Tormac's precious resources, our high-performance products, uncompromising teamwork, and deep-rooted value system are the essential ingredients that come together in perfect harmony to reach greater heights and go beyond new horizons. Tormac Pumps, truly international pumps, truly exceptional.